continuing on with the tour, and my horse is annoyed because he can't come with us. I'm gonna walk my fence line. Looks like our light broke. You should see my poor papaya tree. It's pretty sad. Come this way because I want to show you this tree.
My boots have holes in them.
Oh. Oh, I'm so sad. Look at our tree is gonna fall over. Oh, and our well. Hopefully the tree doesn't bust this little well. There's the bucket that goes over top of the well. I'm kind of worried about walking under the tree.
It landed up against the other tree.
Kind of.
The trees
Can you cover the well?
trees by themselves.
This big hump. Oh man. This one I'm sad about. Back of the barn. See this tree? It uprooted. Yep. I'm pretty sure it hit the fence. There's the underneath of the tree. Oh, which is gonna mess up the whole bottom of the fence line, and there's the tree on top of our fence. Right, see if we can
Push the papaya tree back if we're gonna keep it there.
my poor papaya tree. All right.
I don't know if we should keep it because I don't want trees now obstructing anything.
I don't think they get very big, Lloyd.
That's what we have by our house.
Oh yeah. Okay, there's our fence over there. Smooshed. Oh man. And there's some that is smushed.
My motocross track.
Look at the tree, totally uprooted, which this one is going to do the same. That hump on the ground was not there. It's its roots.
This one blew over that way. That sucks.
There's our burn pile.
I'm almost
It's going to be gigantic soon.
thinking
Let me see what happened back here. I know. I just want to walk the property before I do. What do you think? Is his tree gonna fall? Okay.
This one made it.
This our leaning tree made it. What happened with our pile?
It just blew over.
Oh, it's not bad though.
Came out fairly well.
My sticks kept my wagon from blowing. Okay, let's see what's going on back here.
Well, you don't have to worry about
Oh, those sticks.
those plants. We can take them out now.
Yeah, these plants are gonna go. Even though I think they're so cool. I call them my Jurassic Park plants, but I found out they're poisonous to horses. I don't know why they're in the horse field.
Did you say they're poisonous?
Yes, they're poisonous. Oh, look at that giant air plant. Oh,
That's a
it's an orchid.
orchid. Ooh, save that. A prize.
Okay.
These two trees will come down, we think.
Yeah, although they made it through the hurricane. Can you hold the orchid? It seems naked back. Oh, that's why. Their tree is down.
We got less shade.
Oh my. Less shade, but also less leaves.
Yeah, barn. It's gonna get more sun.
It's a little overwhelming for the person picking up the sticks, which is me.
She's gonna be tired.
Oh, I'm still tired from preparing. All right.
About to get that shoved.
Oh,
That way there is good. I guess take this out at some point.
actually, I think I cut one of the roots that was over here because it
Your
was
fault.
it was one root.
Yeah, well, that one root.
This is the one root is probably where it's most attached.
Yeah, tree guys are gonna be busy. Root guys are gonna be busy.
The limb in the tree that didn't fall out. Oh, it's about what Irma did to the property.
It's a little worse.
Well, we lost trees in Irma.
Go check the barn. No.
I checked the barn out.